All right, as many of you know, I'm the bass player, the most important person in the band, and I was thinking that I need my own strobe light since I got my own other light already. So the folks at YSH were kind enough to send me this mini LED strobe light for me to check out. This was given to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are going to be my own. So let's open this up and check it out. First off, pretty small, a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be from the picture. And let's take a look and see what we get with this. We have a USB charging cable. All right, let's open that up. That thing is long, man. Look at that. I'm 6 foot tall. Stretch my arms out. It's going to be over 6 foot cable right there. All right, we have a stand or a mount for it there. What else we got? Remote control. Look at that. Some instructions. We got a charging port right here for the USB cable. And we have the strobe light itself, which I said is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. But look at that. You got 5 eyes right here with 9 LED lights in each of these 5 eyes. Got a 5 volt DC input here. We have an on-off switch, and we have a mode button that we can press to change the mode on it. There's an infrared eye in the front here too. And we got some hardware to put this stand on. Look at that. You can put that right in front of your bass player. The infrared is for this remote control that you get right here. Look at that baby. There's a lot of options on there. CR2025 battery, very common. You can get those at any drugstore or any store really, so that's a good thing. Ooh, it's spooky dark in here. It's not as dark as I'd like it to be because it's still light out, so I got the blackout screen up. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this thing on with the old remote control. And let's go through some of these things that it'll do. Right now it's on DJ sound. So it's actually reacting to my voice. That's pretty cool. Let's go to DJ sound 2. Hello, hello. DJ sound 3. Hello, hello. Let's go to pulse change. It's reacting to my sound. This is pretty wild. Let's go to the strobe feature. With the remote control, the strobe feature here, you can change it to different colors if you want. There's red green. There's red blue, which is purple. There's green blue. There's the intensity. Well, I can turn up the intensity of the light right there. With these 2 buttons on the bottom, I thought it was for the light intensity, but it's the speed intensity. I can slow it down if I want to, or speed it up. You can change the colors. It's the strobe green, strobe blue, strobe red. I can go red green. If I wanted to, I can put this on a timer and shut it off. But this thing's pretty sweet. I like it. All in all, I think this thing's pretty cool. As you can see, I have it set on mode 1, DJ sound, where it's following the sound of my voice, or any sound. You know what would be super cool about this? If you had this next to a kick drum. Had it pulsing with the kick drum. And I forgot to mention on the back here, there's a mode button. All the things that you can do on the remote control, you can do with this mode button in the back. So press the button one time, we get DJ sound 2. Press it again, DJ sound 3. Then it goes into the pulses, the red, the green, the blue. Then it goes to the red, green, blue, green, blue, red, green, blue. Hello. There it is. Pretty wild. I like this thing. This thing is pretty super cool. I'm going to shut it off. If there's any drawbacks to it, it's maybe that it's this cable isn't quite long enough. But you know what? If you're a musician or someone, I mean, you can obviously run an extension cord to this. Or if you're a musician, you're going to use this for yourself in front of you. You more than likely already got power run to the front of the stage. This would be great for DJs, for karaoke guys, maybe for a kid's party. I think it'd be really awesome for a kid's party because it's all the, you know, the fact that it's sound activated and the kids would make it all go off just by sound, which I think is so cool. But I like the fact that it's lightweight, compact. It's got this cool mount on here. You can mount it on a ceiling. You can mount it sideways if you wanted to. You could mount it anywhere, on a drum riser. All kinds of things you can do with this. You can put the mount on and then screw it in later if you wanted to, and just even travel with the mount on. But so many different options. And it's lightweight, it's compact, small, fits in your gig bag if you're a gigging guy. If you're in the market for a small, compact, pretty awesome strobe light, check out this small mini strobe light by YSH with remote control. Check it out.